Hey you guys, it's Maria. Thanks so much for stopping by. I wanted to let you know that today Tonic Studios is having a big online party to celebrate their stamp release that is dropping today. They're doing demos, videos, and giveaways, so be sure to head over and check it out. The following video is my contribution to the party, so I hope you'll enjoy it. Hey everybody, my name is Maria Willis. I'm a stamper, card maker, and mixed media artist from Santa Cruz, California in the United States. I'm really excited to get to be here with you today because Tonic Studios has an awesome new release. It's called Warm Winter Wishes and it's full of amazing stamp sets. I'm really excited to get to show you some of my favorites, so let's go check them out. The first stamp set I want to share with you is called Warm Cocoa Wishes. This set is perfect for fall or winter cards, and no matter which of these adorable images you choose to use, it's a wonderful way to send warm wishes out to your friends. This next stamp set is called Snowman Snuggles, and I love it because you can either choose to use one of the two larger images to make a quick and easy card, or you can decide to build a scene complete with your own customizable snowman. You can use the many stamps that are included in this set to make a card that's perfect for whoever you want to send it to. This next set is called Jolly Marshmallow Snowman, and I love it because I keep picturing that marshmallow guy doing a back float in a mug of hot chocolate. These candies have an old school style design to them, and those are going to be perfect for making some sweet backgrounds. Now this last set that I'm sharing is called Christmas Outfits, and it's free, guys, it's free. This is a printable stamp set, and all of the adorable outfits and accessories fit perfectly with the critters from the stamp sets that were released in Tonic Studios' last stamp release. Now I've already gotten to have some fun with this stamp set, so I made a cute little video to show you what a good time I had. I hope you like it. All right, you guys, that's all I've got for today. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. I hope that you've loved these new stamps as much as I do, and also keep your eyes open because there are other design team members who've got wonderful projects to share, and I hope you'll stay tuned to watch some of them as well. Have an amazing day. Bye, you guys. All right, you guys, if you want more information on the new Tonic Studios release, please head on over to my blog. I'll put a link to my blog in the description below, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.